Okay, for those of you who follow my channel, you already know I garden year round. I garden in containers, and during the winter months, I garden indoors. If you really follow my channel, you know that I did a video about 2 years ago growing potatoes, one potato in a white little container, and I got several potatoes out of it. It was quite successful. The video did well, and this fall I attempted to replicate that in this black container, but I kept it out one night too many and the cold got to it. So I started over. I had a bunch of eyes and a couple of small potatoes, and I basically just threw them all in here, and that was about 2 months ago. And this is the result. This thing is going and going and going, and in probably about another month, then they're ready to harvest. So I wanted to show you these, just do a quick video on this, and try and inspire you to grow something in a container, indoors, during the winter. It's the middle of January, and this is looking pretty good. So that's it. I do have a few things left outside. It's been brutal. It's snowing right now. We have had 2 windstorms and 1 rainstorm, and the past week it has not gotten above freezing. So that's a whole nother story I'll go into later. Just wanted to show you guys this really quick, and I will catch you in a few days on the next video. Remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. This is the Frugal Gardener. Please subscribe, and like I said, I'll see you in a few days.